YouTube channel. So today we're going to be cooking obeja imoyo, which is the fish stew in English language. Now today we're going to be starting off with our peeled plum. Now you can use fresh tomatoes if you have access to it. And our fish today is sea bass fish, and there are different other fish that you can use for this as well. So feel free to do you. So we're going to cut in our red bell pepper. Now you want to have as much as possible in there. You want less tomatoes, to be honest with you. Now the next one there is our scotch bonnet. Don't mind the green color, it's still really spicy. Then we move on to our onions, and I think on this occasion I had 2 big onions sliced into this. I love my onions, so you can use one if you want. It is up to you what you want to do with your sauce. So once I have this in, then we're going to blend it. Now you can choose to blend it really smooth, or you can choose to blend it a bit rough. Now, not too rough, you know, except you want to make rice sauce with that. However, I'm going to make my own really smooth because I love my imoyo obe ata imoyo. I like it to be really smooth. Moving on to a saucepan. So we're gonna get a saucepan and then pour in the olive oil. Like if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm a big fan of olive oil. You can use any oil if you want. Let it get hot a bit, and then pour the pepper in. Rinse any remnant in the blender into it. Just leave it to boil for a while. Once it's boiled, then we're going to add in our bouillon cubes. And I'm adding 4 cubes on this occasion. Now remember that I had seasoned the fish after cleaning it, okay? And I will advise that if you can, clean your fish the night before and season it so that you can get a really nice taste, okay, from it. Unfortunately, by the time I cleaned it and seasoned it, I didn't have my camera on. Unfortunately, I need to start remembering to put on my camera when I'm doing these preps. Okay, moving on. So now that it's boiled, I'm going to add the head first. Always add the head of the fish first because it's bigger and it will take a while for the sauce to penetrate, okay, and the seasoning. So I'll advise that you put the heads of the fish in first and let it boil. So once it's boiled, but not boil that is already cooked, because otherwise once you add other fish, then it's going to pieces into the sauce. I don't want that. So now it is, well, it's parboiled, so I'm adding in the rest of the fish in there so that it can all cook together. So now we're gonna leave it to boil. So now this is looking yummy and it is ready to go. I will be having mine with pounded yam, okra, and my imoyo fish soup. Yeah, so that is it. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Maybe you enjoyed the video. Oh yeah, click on that button. Thank you. So salmon is called eja osun, and tilapia is called equiya. So what is mackerel called? Comment down below. You know, we're gonna be saying our order but together on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, O, double. Thank you so much.